Natives are getting restless, huh? You getting restless? Say, yeah, I want to be out. What are you, crazy? They're dying to go back outside. We've had nothing but snow, so yeah. Hey, I wanted to come see you. So you're making me stay in the enclosure too much because it's so dang cold. We're sorry. You happy now you're out? Huh? You happy now? Let me get my camera and bring it over here. Since you're over here, I'll move it over here. Ugh. Here we go. Yeah, he gets lonely without me. He has to come out at least once every day. He's spoiled rotten. All my snakes are very affectionate, very social animals. Sorry about the shakes. I've been down with bronchitis for a week from the lack of heat and power in the house, but I'm slowly recovering. I can't believe my contractor is out here working on my storage building and the snow and ice out here, but he said he was getting stir crazy too. So he came back to do some more work on it today. All he's got to do is finish off the roof and a couple of boards on the side, and it's done. And I can start moving stuff out of my bathroom to remodel my bathroom. And at the same time, he's going to be working on the addition. Chewy just wanted to come out and visit. That's all he does. Say, see, I'm a friendly guy. A very friendly guy. Yep. I love everybody. Yes, I do. I love everybody. I just like to socialize. I like people. I think they're cool. Well, at least the people around here around me are. You can't be afraid of your snakes. You really can't. A good friend of mine did a video. I didn't get a chance to comment on it because it's so late last night. Gotta love carpet pythons. It's such an awesome topic. You know, your snakes pick up on the way you're acting and the way you're feeling. And if you're nervous and stressed out, they pick up on that. And they translate that into an aggressive behavior on your part. It's odd that they are that sensitive, but they really are. They can pick up on anything. If you walk up to them and you don't like them, they know it. If you walk up to them and you're afraid of them, they know that. If you walk up to them and you're feeling apprehensive, they're aware of that. And the way you treat them actually affects the way that they respond to you as a person. So you have to, instead of thinking about getting bit and worrying about what can go wrong, love them for their beauty. Accept them for their beauty. Accept them for what they are. They're no threat to you. They have no arms and legs and hands and feet. You really, by all means, can get away from them if you have to. So I don't understand why people feel threatened by their snakes. It makes no sense to me. I can understand the fear of an animal that you know very little about, which is the case with most snakes. Most people that are afraid of them don't know much about them. Just relax. That's the best. I've raised snakes for 56 years. That's the best advice I can give anyone when you're approaching your snake. Relax. Enjoy their beauty. Enjoy them for what they are. They have no animosity toward you at all. They have no personal grudges against people unless you abuse them or mistreat them, and then they won't forget you. They really don't. What'd you find up there? Oh, you looking at my stuffed snake up there, Chewy? My Honduran milk snake up there. But, just relax with them. That was a great video Gabe put out. You gotta check it out on Gotta Love Carpet Pythons. It's a topic I've brought up so many times in my videos, and it's great to see other people endorsing that your snakes respond to the way you approach them. If you're nervous, they know it. And truth be known, if they know they can intimidate you and make you feel threatened, then that gives them control of you, and that's not what you want. You want to have control of them, mostly because it's for their own safety. Because if you're afraid of them, you can't control them because you're reluctant to step in if something goes wrong. So just relax. Enjoy them for what they are. He found something he's staring at. You go away, Lily. You're not bopping Chewy in the head. But, it's really nothing to be afraid of. It's nothing to fear. And we do respond with our natural reaction to things, like I was telling Neo. And Heidi, all the years I've raised snakes, I still jump when they strike at food. It's just a natural human response. It doesn't mean you're afraid of them. It just means intellectually you're smart enough to get out of their way. Because you never know where they're aiming. Sometimes they misfire. So really, just that's the best advice I can give anyone. Relax. Enjoy them for what they are. Don't be stressed out when you're working with them. They know when they can intimidate you. They know when they can make you feel threatened. And if they realize that, they most certainly will use it against you every opportunity they can if they don't want to do something that you want them to do. So they learn to manipulate you. You think that you're learning from them? No, they're learning from you. And they're learning about you at the same time. So they know how to work with you. So if you do something wrong, they're going to know it. Oh, sorry, I mean to bang your nose. I'm sorry. You don't need to get on the computer desk. Come back here. Here, let's stay over here with Mama. But yeah, just relax with them. They're not a threat to you. They really aren't. Sorry for the shakes. I was moving my camera around. But, no matter how big they are, they're still gentle spirits if they're raised right and they have a good quality of life. They have no intentions of hurting you or anyone else. But if you approach them and you're giving off all these vibes that you're nervous, you're tense, you're afraid, to them, they interpret that as aggressive actions on your part, and they will respond likewise. If you're acting like you might be a threat to them, then they're going to feel that way about you, toward you. But, yeah, I was without power for 5 days and 4 nights. I'm still running on partial power. We got another foot of fresh dumped snow here, so we're waiting for this to clear some so I can put the rest of our power lines in that burned out. So I'm still got a generator going here and still running off partial electric in the house on a few lines that didn't get burned, but that is being replaced. And the addition's going to be worked on next, and the bathroom's being remodeled at the same time, and they're almost done with the storage building. You're not getting up there and getting on my DVD player and my keyboard. No. No, Chewy. No, Chew. No. People say you grab your snakes by the head. I don't grab them by the head. I hold them by the neck. People only see what they want to see. I've come to that conclusion about videos. People ask you questions about it that you covered in the content of your video. If you're going to watch a video, listen to it and watch it all the way through instead of asking someone about something that you already covered in the video. That shows you what people are really watching them and what people are just clicking on to be what they are. But, if you're really interested in learning, pay attention to people's videos. Listen to what they have to say. Chewy, you're just rambunctious today. You're not going over there. But yeah, this is one that has to be out at least once every day or he pouts. He's terrible. Where are you going? What are you doing? You're not getting over there. I know you like that pillow, but you're not getting behind it. No, you're not. Uh-oh. So I'm going to go get your vanilla creamer in your coffee. No, you're not. He loves my vanilla creamer in my coffee. Every chance he gets, he sticks his tongue in and out of it. Which is weird because they don't really use their tongue to taste with. But he loves the flavor of it, I guess. He goes for it every time I have a cup sitting out. Jade does the same thing. It must just be a coastal carpet python thing. They like the taste of vanilla creamer. But treat them like you would a dog or cat. They can be your best friends. It's up to you. It really is. It's, it's all up to you. You want to come back out? Of course you do. I'm sorry. I had a phone call. I had to answer it. Why is the flash on? I turned the flash on. That's all right. It'll just make you look better. It'll just make you look better, I guess. Huh. So I'm beautiful anyway. I'm sexy and I know it. You stay up here. I don't want those cats bopping you on your head. Yeah, I don't want the cats swatting at you. They love to bonk him on the head. I don't know why. They've done that with all my snakes so far. They don't have their nails out. They just go over and give them a bop on top of the nose and back away from them. It's like they're trying to get their attention in a way. But at the same time, they're trying to keep them out of the way. Let them know they're there. Hi, handsome. So I'm sexy. I really never use my macro settings on my camera. I probably should. They're really nice. I don't know why this flash came on when I started filming, but I'll leave it going. Look out. You're not getting on the shelves. No. No, you're not. Aren't you handsome? Say, yes, I am. You know I am. This is all they do. Just roam around, look at everything, check everything out. Trying to keep him off the edge of the bed so the cats don't reach up and pop him on the head. But he's my best friend. People find it hard to believe I prefer my snake's companionship over people's any day. And that's the truth. I really do. They're a lot more dependable. They're a lot more reliable. They're not selfish. They're not greedy. They're not hateful. They're not... you can't even compare a snake to a human. They are. They warn you if they're upset with you. You know, you can't ask for much more than that. People don't give you that. For most cases, they don't. But yeah, I love the company of my snakes. The loves of my life, they are. The cats took off and left the room. I guess they got the message. They don't need to be messing with you. Huh. Yeah. I've always talked to my snakes. They can hear, you know. People seem to think they can't, but they can hear. What'd you find? Oh, you're staring at something over there. What'd you find over there? Huh? What'd you find? I know I make a... What'd you do? You got right in front of the lens. I don't make a lot of videos of Chewy because he's a great ambassador for snakes to show how social and friendly they really are. I'm sorry people get tired of seeing him in my videos, but I will continue to make videos of him because this is an end result of a lot of dedication, a lot of work, a lot of quality time invested with your snakes. Now where are you going? You're not getting on the computer desk. I'll spin you back around again. He's smart. See, he knows what I just did. You wise guy. I know what she's doing. She's trying to keep me off that computer desk. They're intelligent animals. People think they're stupid, and they most definitely are not dumb animals. No, you can't get on the computer desk. No. No. Now he knows. See, this is how smart they are. So I know exactly where I want to go. No matter how you turn me around on this tote, I'm going to find my way back over there. They do reason. They're very good at reasoning things. Stay for a minute. Stop for a minute. You're not getting on the computer desk. No. No. You can't get on the computer desk. See? Listen. I know you're glad to be out, but you're not getting on my computer desk. No, 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 no. Listen. Now, they are stubborn. They're headstrong. If they set their mind on something, it's next to impossible to get them to deter their attention from what they're after. Now, he's after that computer desk. Chewy, no. Stubborn. Stubborn as a rock you are. He's going to make another run for it. See, he's smart. He knows where that desk is. He's like, I'll distract her attention. That way I can sneak over there and get on it. Because that's where I want to be. But he's not. Because I'm not going to let him. So I just sit here and keep spinning the plastic tote to distract his attention. Listen, you. You're huge, Chewy. So I'm going to try the floor route now. No, you're not getting on the computer desk. You just flip the tote over, silly. Yo. Get on my lap and be still. Keep flipping yourself over here. There. And you get away from the snake, Pilo. Here. Hang out on my legs. There you go. He's as big as my legs are, for heaven's sake. Yes, I am. So I'm as large as her legs are. Yeah. I love my coastal carpet pythons. They're gorgeous. I can't wait to get a few more. He's huge. He's well over 11 feet now. It feels like a box of rocks sitting on you when he's laying across your lap. You still after that computer desk? We're going to have a difference of opinion here now. Yes, we are. You keep going after that computer desk, we're going to have a difference of opinion. You stay right there.